Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackmon Guitar. In this one I will show you how I play What's Love Got to Do With It by one of the greatest female vocalists ever, Tina Turner. The guitar is tuned standard E-A-D-G-B-E, and the key is A-flat minor and modulates to B-flat minor. For the sound of my guitar, I have my amp set clean with a little chorus effect. I'm using a medium pick, and I have the pickup selector set for the neck pickup and middle pickup, so I get a kind of a clunky sound like that. Now for the intro and the verses of this song, we'll play two chords, a G flat suspended 4 and the G flat. To make our G flat suspended 4 chord, we'll put a finger on the D string, fret 4, the G string, fret 4, and then bar the B and high E string, and we're strumming from the D string. Now to complement that, the bass player will be playing an A flat to make it sound like that. We'll follow that with a G flat chord formed this way. Now we'll be using this form quite a bit. That's a major form. Okay, we'll be moving it around. We're going to be holding down the B and high E string at fret 2, the G string at fret 3, and the D string at fret 4, and strumming from the D string. And when you add your A flat, we're going to play 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That'll cover us for the intro and the verses. Now while guitar 1 is playing those chords, guitar 2 will be playing some muted picking like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Now for that part, I've got my palm against the bridge of the guitar, and I'm picking and muting as I play it, so like that, and it's down up, just like that. Together, those parts will sound like this. Now as the vocals begin, guitar 2 will play this. In order to play that part, let's go to the D string and play this. So that's 6, 4, 6, 4, 6, 4, 6, 4, and then 6 on the A string, and then back to 4 on the D string. So it's and here's what those two parts will sound like together. Next, we'll go to the pre-chorus, and for the pre-chorus, we'll go to an E chord down here. And for this E chord, we're simply holding down the D string at fret 2 and the G string at fret 1 and playing the B and high E string open. We're doing an easy E chord. We're not going to use this one. We're not going to use that one. We're going to play this. And then we're going to raise that by 2 frets to a G flat. So it's going to sound like this. There's a name for it. We'll go to that E chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then whatever the reason, you do it for me. Then we're going to go to the chorus. So we went 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then on to the chorus. There's a name for it. There's a phrase that fits. But whatever the reason, you do it for me. Now for chorus 1 and 2, we're going to play an A flat minor form like this. We're barring fret 4 from the D string down, bringing in a finger to the D string at fret 6. That's A flat minor. So the chords for the chorus are A flat minor, G flat, E, back to G flat, A flat minor, G flat, E, and G flat. Now what we're going to do is mute as we strum those chords, and we'll strum them this way. I've got my palm against the bridge of the guitar, and I'm going to go. So it's going to be a down up, like that, muted strum. So it's going to sound like this. So when I strum, I'm pressing down the strings and then releasing them to get that muted sound. So press down the chord, mute the strings, and press and play, and then total mute. So it's semi-muted, then totally muted. So we're going to play that all the way through the chorus. Now for chorus 3, we're going to modulate, so we're going to move everything up by 2 frets. We'll play B flat minor, A flat, G flat, back to A flat. And we'll play it the same way that we played the previous chorus. So it's going to sound like this. that modulation will be played through the music break. And after the music break, we'll go to our bridge. And for our bridge, we'll play. And that chord is a D flat ninth suspended 4. So I'm holding down everything from the D string down to the B string and playing that. And that's at fret 4. I'll follow that with a D flat chord. We'll play a D flat by holding down the A string at fret 4 and barring everything at fret 6 from the D string down. But we're not playing the high E string, muting it. Now how I mute that is I put my finger up against that E string, right? And so I can play like that. We're going to do that twice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and then we'll go up to a G flat inversion and a D flat. Like that. For that G flat inversion, we're placing a finger on the D string at fret 8, barring fret 6 from the D string down, and a finger on the B string at fret 7 and strumming down to the B string like this. And then we'll open it up to that fret right there, fret 6, to get a D flat chord. So we're going to play that this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Then we'll go to an A chord at fret 5. That's an A major, okay? And then we'll raise that by 2 frets to a B. Play the B again. And then go to a D flat. So we're playing here's the entire bridge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, and then we'll go back to our chorus. Now, as we're playing the final chorus, we'll play it a little differently. We'll repeat it, but we'll chop off part of it. We'll play it like this. Play it 4 times. Then start over. We'll turn it around on Who Needs a Heart When a Heart Can Be Broken. On the word B, we're going to turn it around. So it's going to be who needs a heart when a heart can be. Well, my friends, that's how I play What's Love Got to Do With It by the amazing Tina Turner on electric guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.